Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy S23 does have the dual SIM slot. And to do this we'll need to find the slot first, and on this device it's at the bottom right here. So remove the cover if you have one, and now take a needle from the box, which should be included, and stick it in this gap right here. And do not mistake it for this one, as this is the microphone and right here we have a SIM slot. Now let's try to open it. It should release like that. And if we remove it, there's one slot right here, any other on the other side. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.